Are you looking for a business that is fun, flexible, and growing fast? A business you can start from home with low investment and high demand in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start a pet services business offering pet grooming, pet walking, and pet sitting. This is one of the most profitable service businesses. If you want real small business ideas that work in real life, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's begin. Pet services are growing fast in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. And here's why. Millions of people own pets. Over 60% of households have dogs or cats, but pet owners are busy with work, travel, and daily life. So they are happy to pay for trusted pet groomers, pet walkers, and pet sitters. This means repeat clients, stable monthly income, and huge market demand. You can offer pet walking, daily or weekly, pet sitting when owners are traveling, pet grooming, washing, brushing, nail care, and trimming. You can charge hourly, daily, or monthly packages. This business is flexible. Start with one service, then offer more as you grow. Choose a niche based on your location. Dog walking for busy professionals, pet sitting for travelers, grooming for dogs and cats, or puppy daycare for full daycare. A clear niche helps you stand out. Register a small business in your country. USA, set up an LLC. UK, register as a sole trader or limited company. Canada and Australia, apply for a local business license. Also, get pet insurance. It builds trust and protects your business. You do not need expensive equipment to start. Just basic items like brush, shampoo, nail clippers, towels, leashes, treats, and a first aid kit. You can start for $300 to $1,000 depending on your services. Pet walking, $20 to $40 per walk. Pet sitting, $30 to $80 per day. Pet grooming, $40 to $120 per session. You can also offer subscription packages for weekly and monthly clients. Packages bring recurring income. To get clients fast, use Facebook groups, Instagram and TikTok, Rover or WAG in the USA, Canada, Gumtree and Airtasker in the UK, Australia, Google Business Profile. Post photos and videos of happy pets. Pet content goes viral easily and builds trust quickly. Pet owners care more about safety than price, so build trust with customer reviews, background checks, on-time service, and clear communication. When customers trust you, they will stay with you for years. Use simple tools to stay organized. Canva for flyers, Google Calendar for bookings, Stripe or PayPal for payments, Notion or Trello to track clients, Instagram and TikTok for marketing. And that is your complete guide to starting a pet services business in 2025. It is simple to start, low cost, and always in demand. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, or Australia, you can start this business from home and grow at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.